Hello, beauties, and welcome back to my channel where we put the BU in beautiful. So for today's core workout, I decided to do a circuit that I just threw together. In total, it took about 20 minutes, but I cut out a lot of my rest periods because let me tell you, whew, this was an ab burner. So I'm starting off with just some sit-ups with a 10-pound weight. I'm going to do 12 reps per exercise, guys. And the gist is that you want to just keep the movement up. You want to have minimal breaks, keep the movement up. That way we can burn these abs to shreds. Then I'm going in with side abs. So after each set that I do on the sit-up machine, I am going to follow up with oblique. So you see me hitting side abs. I recommend using 20 to 30 pounds for this. Definitely make sure that your playlist is hitting. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I was zoned out. So I'm switching in between listening to my music and watching the TV at the gym. Because again, when you're doing these ab workouts, you really just have to have a blank head so that you don't think about the pain. Because as this workout goes on, guys, it's going to get pretty intense. Okay. So I need you to keep up with me as you're at the gym doing this workout. Again, have that playlist set and get in the game. All right, so we made it through that set. Now we're going to switch gears to this form of sit-ups, which I really love. As I'm coming up, I'm just doing a nice little twist. I'm targeting lower abs and side abs. This is just amazing. Give me 12 reps of this. And even if you have to stop, make sure that you get back on the horse and that you keep going, guys. Taking breaks is totally fine. All right, so now we're jumping back in and hitting those obliques. You thought I was playing. I did not come to play with you. After each set, get up and hit those obliques. Period. And I'm actually still feeling the burn from this workout. It's super amazing. So you definitely have to add this circuit, okay? Now, I started feeling the intense burn during this set. So again, I told you guys earlier, it is okay if you stop and take breaks, but as long as you jump back in the game. Don't stop and just give up. No, you stop and you keep pressing forward, period. And make sure that you stay hydrated, ladies. I told you this, okay? You do not want to get dizzy and pass out. Pace yourself, take your water breaks, and then get back in the game. The last exercise we're going to do are these Russian twists with the 10-pound weight. Of course, this is good for your core. You guys knew, okay? You can never go wrong with Russian twists. Then we're going to do what we were doing this whole workout. We're going to, in between each set, we're going to go in and do obliques, hit those obliques, and then we will be done. I wanted to stop, but I also wanted to keep going. So you want to know what I did? I just kept going. I chose that option. So you don't give up. Keep going. You can do it. Again, this takes 20 minutes. All right. So let's just get it done. Let's get it over with, because one thing I love to be is super snatched. And your girl is super snatched. And we're getting even more super snatched. So come on, do it with me. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I will be putting out some get ready with me content, makeup tutorials, beauty content, and of course more fitness content this week. Leave it down in the comment section below what you would like to see on this channel. I like suggestions. I'm open to that. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, beautiful.